Hey drawing friends! Welcome back to Joss's Kids Draw. I'm Joss, and today I'm going to teach you how to draw, color, and shade in an Easter bunny with a basket of eggs. So for this, you'll need some paper, something to draw with, and something to color with, but anything will work. I'll be using some computer paper to draw on, an ultra-fine point Sharpie to draw with, and some Ohuhu markers to color with. So, let's get right on into drawing. If you don't have your drawing supplies ready yet, make sure you pause the video and go get them. Also, make sure you have something underneath your drawing so that you don't get anything on your table. Now, I also have my drawing taped to my table so that it doesn't move around while I'm showing you what to do. But you definitely don't have to do this. So I'm going to start by, of course, taking the lid off my Sharpie so that I am ready to draw. And so we're just going to go in and we're going to be starting with the head of our Easter bunny, specifically the ears. So we're going to start by drawing a line straight up and down, also known as a vertical line. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a straight line up, just like that. Okay, and then we're going to do the same over here. We're going to draw another vertical line. Now I'm going to go a little beside this, right about here. I'm going to draw another vertical line that is the same height. I'm going to do the same here. Another vertical line that's the same height. So these are going to be the two ears. So we're going to connect the ears with a big upside down U shape at the top. Same over here, upside down U shape. Great. Now we're going to go into drawing the head of the bunny. So we're going to go over here and we're going to draw a little curved line to connect the ears. Just like that. Now, if I ever go too fast, you can always pause the video, do the step, and then press play once you're ready. So now we're going to continue drawing the head of the bunny. So I'm going to take this line and I'm just going to continue it down a little bit. Same with this. So I'm just going to lengthen our vertical line a little bit. Great. Now this step is going to be a little different. So we're going to go over here and we're going to draw a little C shape. Just like that. Now over here, we're going to be doing a backwards C shape. And now we're going to connect those with a curved line that goes across. Just like that. So this is the head of our bunny. So now we're going to go in and we're going to add some details. So I'm going to start in the ears. So right about here, I'm going to draw a line that goes side to side. This is called a horizontal line. So I'm going to draw a horizontal line in both ears. Then I'm going to draw a vertical line right here and over here too. That goes almost as high as the outer vertical lines, but not quite. So we're going to take it and do the same on this side, a vertical line and another vertical line. Now finally, we're going to connect that with an upside down U shape. Great. Now for the details inside the face. So over here, we're going to draw the eyes. So I'm going to draw a big circle. And then another big circle right beside it. Now inside those circles, specifically in the bottom left, I'm going to draw a smaller circle. And then an even smaller circle in the top right. Now I'm going to color in the eyes except for these two smaller circles. Great. Now for the nose and the mouth. So I'm going to start by drawing an oval right around like that, because we're going to be doing the face of the bunny inside this oval. So I'm going to go right near the top and I'm going to draw a horizontal line, just a really small one. Then I'm going to draw a little slanted line or a diagonal line. And then I'm going to do another there. And I'm going to color that in too. Great. Now I'm going to draw a little vertical line attaching to the bottom of this. So this is the nose, and now we're going to be connecting it to the mouth. So I'm going to be doing a little U shape coming out, just like that. I'm going to do the same over here. U shape coming out. Now, because this is a bunny, we're going to draw a little tooth sticking out. So I'm going to draw a vertical line down, another one here, and connect those across. And then draw another even smaller vertical line inside. Now to finish off the face, we're going to draw some whiskers. So I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to draw a line going out just like that. And then another, and then another. Same over here, a line going straight out, and then another, and then one more to finish it off. Now we're going to go straight into drawing the body of it. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to draw a big vertical line coming down, just like that. I'm going to do the same over here. A long vertical line. And then we're going to connect that with a U shape. Just like that. So inside of that, we're going to draw a little belly. So we're going to come over here, and we're going to draw the same vertical line, except we're going to stop it shorter this time. Same over here. Vertical line, stop. Then connect that, the big U shape. Great. So now we're going to head in to doing the limbs of the bunny, or the arms and the legs. So I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to draw a vertical line coming down like that. Then I'm going to do the same over here. A vertical line coming out. Now we're going to draw a little curve on the end and then take it straight back in. So I'm going to do that on the other side too. A little curve and then straight back in. Just like that. Now we're going to do a very similar thing for the legs. We're going to draw a vertical line going down, and then another vertical line right by it. So this is going to be one leg. And then we're going to do the same over here. A vertical line, and then another vertical line right beside it. And then connect that with a U shape. And now to add some details, we're just going to do two little lines on each of the limbs. So now this next step is optional. If you just want it to be a bunny, then you can leave it like this. But if you want to draw the Easter bunny, you can go ahead and draw the basket with me. So if you're drawing the Easter bunny, you're going to go over here, and you're going to draw a big upside down U shape, which is going to go behind his arm here, and then it's going to continue and go back down. And we're going to do the same right beside that. we're going to do the same line going up and then coming back through. Now I'm going to lengthen this down a little bit so that we can have more room for the next step. So we're going to connect the inside lines with a curved line going across, just like that. And we're going to take the outside lines and we're going to make them even longer. And then connect them with a little curve. Now inside the basket we're going to draw some eggs. So we're going to draw an upside down U shape, just like that. And then another upside down U shape. And then finally we're going to draw one more on top. So to finish off this drawing, I'm going to be adding a little bit of texture to our basket. So I'm going to be doing this by drawing a few vertical lines on it, just like this. Then I'm going to go in and add some horizontal lines. And there you go. That is how you draw the Easter Bunny. Now, you can leave yours like this, or you can color it in however you want. Or you can color it in like me. So make sure you keep on watching. Okay, so here's how I'll be coloring in my Easter Bunny. But you can color it in however you want. So I'm going to start by going in with 9 or dark blush. So I'm just going to go in. I'm going to color in the inside of the ears and the belly. Now, I will be fast forwarding this, but you can always pause the video and do the coloring at your own pace. Great. Now I'm going to be doing the rest of the coloring in real time. So I'm going to be going in with CG 0.5 or Cool Gray 0.5. So I'm going to be going in and I'm just going to be coloring in this little oval we did here, except for the tooth. Just like that. Next, I'm going to be going in with 104 or brown gray to color in our basket. Just like that. Next, I'll be going in with 17 or pastel pink. And I'm going to be coloring in one of our eggs in the basket. And I'm going to be coloring in another egg with 84 or pastel violet. And finally, I'm going to be going in with 67 or pastel blue. As you can tell, I really like pastels. And I'm going to be going in and coloring in the final egg. Now this is definitely an optional step, but I'm going to be going in with grass green or 47. And I'm just going to be doing some little grass down here. Just so it looks like the Easter Bunny's outside, and it also gives it a little more color. Great. So you can leave yours like this, or you can keep watching and learn how to shade it. So you've drawn and you've colored in your Easter Bunny, and it's time to shade now. So if you're going to be shading, we're going to start by going in with 17 or pastel pink. And we're just going to be going in right along the head by the belly, just like that. And next, we're going to be going in with CG 0.5 or Cool Gray 0.5. We're going to be doing a little more shading with this. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go right under the head. And then I'm going to go by the arms. And then finally by the legs. And there you go. If you want to show me your drawing, ask your parent or teacher to email me a picture to jossaskidsdraw@yahoo.com. Also included in the email, what's your favorite drawing supply? Mine is probably my Sharpie. And if your drawing doesn't look like mine, that's fine. Being unique is great. Plus, as long as you had fun, that's what matters most. And remember, practicing will pay off. So make sure you check out my last video, how to draw a pie. And stay tuned because there will be more videos coming really, really soon. So make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Press subscribe down below if you haven't already, if you want more art tutorials. So, I'll see you guys next time, and keep on drawing till then. Bye!